test driving this 1973 T-Bird. It's got a 460 with a 4 barrel. Don't you go. Water, ice, snow, anywhere you want to go. And here's our test driver. Hello! How are you? That's Bruce, our test driver. Boy, aren't we cooking? Yeah, ooh, down Route 1. Let's see what happens when we throw it in reverse. No, don't do that. Burn out there.
Too much dirt, man. Maybe away from the dirt, so it just smokes like crazy.
And nice clean road. Peel out on. You know what happens when you drop your car in reverse? Uh-oh. Sorry about the shaking.
Oh, take a picture of the nice interior in this baby.
Look at this fine interior.
Power seats.
Oh, are they moving? Look at that. Look at that seat.
Look at the grace. Look at they go up and down.
Look at here.
Got a radio. Don't work.
Got a radio. It's kind of blurry. You can't really get it in focus with here. Getting ready to take a picture. Won't she go? Right side. We're back in the car now after a good burnout. This is a smoke inhalation program. Bruce now is applying various amounts of pressure on the gas pedal and the brake pedal at the same time.
Look out the back window.
As you can see out the back window, there's runs of smoke coming out. As you can see, I can't see anything. Uh-oh. Oh, man. Good cloud of smoke back there. Yes, sir. I can't see it now.
Right on the window.
Oh, don't that smell good? Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Suck it around.
Don't that smell good?
Ah! Look at all the smoke still way back, man. That way. How about that way?
I don't see any.
Okay, but where we go?
Well, go that way.
We've been that way, so we'll go
this way.
right.
Fucking carburetor, man. Oh, goodness.
Oh, God, it's so fucking bumpy. Could have been a spot.
Slam that guardrail. Give me a bang with that. Ah, yes, definitely. That was a good one. Quality.
Knocked the bondo right out of it.
Quality slam on that one. Another one coming up.
Oh, you guys got your seatbelts on. We should probably have ours on. What? We should probably have ours on, huh? Click.
Safety conscious.
What are you guys doing?
I don't know.
Do a burnout. We'll take a picture.
I don't know how.
What's that? We won't do it anyways, right? Okay. We'll do one.
Yep. Now we hear Bruce coming back. I believe he's coming this way. There he is. Bruce is now departing. Now backing up. Now we're getting more of aftermath smoke with Ross. The Ford truck is still going. That has now disappeared.
Yeah,
You gonna do a rapid spin out with the old truck, are you?
how are you going?
Oh, I don't know. We'll film up. Get rapid truck. Uh-oh. Now stop.